Hey, it's Misty with From RV. Today I'm going to show you a brand new model that just came in. It's one of the newest ones that's come out from Transcend's Grand Design brand. It's the 235 BH. It's right under 6,000 pounds and it's close to 26 foot overall length. So it's very light. Most half tons can pull it. So starting in our kitchen area, we're going to have a TV on a swivel, which is great because no matter where you're sitting in the camper, you'll be able to see it. Right below is a whole bunch of counter space. All this way, we're going to have a ton of cabinets. All down here, we're going to have a ton of cabinets and drawers. So we have a lot of space to keep our food and our, whatever we're bringing when we're camping. Solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink. So I just really like this because it's not porous. It's not going to collect bacteria over time. And then the solid surface countertops is good because it's not going to want to peel up or unwrap over time like some of the less expensive models. So we got that. That's great. Right here we have flush mount over your stove, cooktop. That way it's giving you more counter space. And we have the little accent lights. Moving this way, we're going to have our 12-volt fridge because it's definitely not fun whenever you have to stop camping because you didn't put the amount of food you wanted to put in it the first time. So just fill it up. If you're going to be camping for a week or two, you should have enough room for your icebox and freezer. Coming in here, we have a pocket door that will allow us to come in the restroom. So in here, if you pan this way, we have a whole bunch of cabinets and places for storage. It's a lot harder to find storage in campers, but I'm really feeling this one. This is going to be an oddball floor plan, but I love it. This right here, so the glass can break, and sometimes the shower curtain can get water passing through it. This is good. And then it's got a built-in squeegee, so it's going to be mold and mildew resistant. We love that Grand Design does these. Other brands have started doing that. Grand Design's like the record or the trend setter. There's a 3-year warranty on the film and a 5-year warranty on the frame. So it's really great. And it's mold and mildew resistant. That's the best part. Okay, and then I hate knocking on stuff because I don't want to be cheesy, but the toilet is porcelain. So we'll take it out of here and turn right here. This is a bunkhouse floor plan. So on this slide, you're going to have a way to sleep 2 people, and it really feels open in here, y'all. You'll have to walk in, but it feels open. So this is just, you just pull it, it's going to come down, it's going to rest right here. And then they've got that little window. All the windows in here open, they're all tinted, it's really great. You got storage underneath that as well. Coming back here, a lot of people are really a fan of the theater seats. You can sleep, you can sit and chill. And then right here we have a Murphy bed. So if you're kind of on the fence about a Murphy bed, this one's great because you don't have to climb over your partner to get out of it. And it's really easy to do. So this is one where you're gonna do like that. This is probably one of the easier Murphy beds that I've seen. So it's a 60 by 80. Told you the table was gonna be somewhere hidden. So it's a 60 by 80 residential queen. So if you want to upgrade or change the mattress, you definitely can. There's our table. They always stick a portable table somewhere in these units in a random spot, but there it is. And we have storage all the way around. So just to show you how easy it is to save it, there it is. Ta-da! So during the day, whenever you're going to be like hanging out and you're not sleeping, you can have an extra place to hang out. Right when you walk in right here, underneath our countertops, is where you would place your shoes. So when you walk in, you're not tripping on everybody's shoes. But you sure don't, you're going to be like, hey, take your shoes off when you come in. You're going to make a mess. They just go right in there. So on the outside of our Transcend 235 BH, we're going to have a full pass-through storage right here. Our baggage door is going to be on the magnets. So it's just real easy. You don't have to worry about that clip. It's still motion lit whenever you come outside. You can do motion lighting on both sides, on or off. This, I just want to let you know, it does look very much like a TV mount, but right here, when they place it right here, they actually give you a part that goes into this. You can hang a flag because everybody's proud of something. 4th of July, if you got a campground, you want to hang a flag for the United States. There you go. Right here, we're going to have our main entry that leads us right by that Murphy bed. This is going to be our aluminum steps. They fold up real easy with our big grab handle. So coming on back, we have a nice power awning with a little exterior nightlight next to our outdoor speakers. Down here under our awning, if you want to bring out that table that we saw on top of the bed, you can definitely place a TV or some type of cooking mechanism We have coaxial right here, 110. So if you want to power something, you're good. And then coming back, a lot of our customers will ask us about an outdoor kitchen. Several people really like the outdoor kitchen with the canopy on the gas struts, and this one has it. Right here is going to be our 2-burner stove. So if you want to cook sides, you know, make weenies for hot dogs, whatever. And then a little mini fridge. So that'll get nice and cold. You don't have to keep running inside whenever you're camping. And then around the back, we are prepped for a backup camera, but it does come with the ladder. So it is a nice unit that y'all need to come and see. So I hope y'all enjoyed this walkthrough, and y'all have a great day.